Hi guys, welcome or welcome back to my channel. So this is a start of another vlog. I think 2025 is going to be all about the long form content. तो एक और vlog शुरू करते हैं. This is Mauritius vlog and I'm going for my birthday trip. तो मेरा birthday कल है, आज है 13th of March and time is approximately 3 PM. मैं अभी निकलूँगी घर से like another half an hour or so. So I thought to start this vlog and this is not going to be a regular vlog कि मतलब मैं दिखा रही हूँ कि मैं कहाँ गई एंड ऑल दैट, वो सब तो होगा थोड़ा बहुत, बट दिस इज़ गोइंग टू बी अ व्लॉग वेयर आई एम शेयरिंग लाइक 40 लाइफ लेसन्स आई लर्नड इन लास्ट 40 years ऑफ माई लाइफ. सो इन केस यू वॉन्ट टू नो ऑल द लेसन्स एंड तक देख लेना, अगर नहीं तो फिर बीच में स्किप कर देना, दैट्स ओके. सो अभी तो मैं घर पे हूँ, सो लोकेशन इज़ होम. आई विल ट्राई कि ये जो व्लॉग है इसमें 40 डिफरेंट लोकेशंस पे मैं 40 डिफरेंट लाइफ लेसन्स रिकॉर्ड करूँ. तो ये फर्स्ट से शुरू करते हैं और ऑब्वियसली घर से शुरू करते हैं बिकॉज होम इज़ अ प्लेस एंड होम इज़ अ फीलिंग. सो या द फर्स्ट एंड द फोरमोस्ट जो कि मेरा फेवरेट है और आई थिंक जो अब तक लोग मुझे जानते हैं उन सबका भी फेवरेट हो चुका होगा, is gratitude. Gratitude is something I really learned late in my life. So yeah, the first and the foremost life lesson is be grateful. Be grateful for everything, and especially when things are not going in your favor, tab to be more grateful. So yeah, that's the life lesson and this is the OOTD. I'll put a picture side में. तो या आई एम गोइंग कम्फी सो दैट मैं सो सकूँ रात को आराम से बिना किसी दिक्कत के इन द फ्लाइट. ठीक है, तो अब अगला लाइफ लेसन आई विल डू इन कैब एंड देन विल कीप गोइंग ऑन द लाइफ लेसन्स वन बाय वन. सो आई एम इन कैब, सो आई थॉट टू talk about the second life lesson and this is something I read in 2016 and still stayed with me. थोड़ा सा कैमरा ही लगा क्योंकि कैब चल रही है. But yeah, this life lesson is no matter how you feel, get up, dress up and show up. So I read this in 2016 and this kind of stayed with me for a very long time and still staying with me. So I feel whenever we are even feeling low or bit disturbed or there are a number of things going in life, when you wake up and either you get up, dress up, go to gym or you get up, dress up, go to office or whatever, like wherever you go, like where you feel inspired and motivated, do that and see the change in your energies. So yeah, that is also among of my favorite life lessons and this is the second one and the next will be on the airport. ओके, सो आई एम एट एयरपोर्ट. आई होप आवाज़ आ रही हो. मेरी फ़्लाइट ऑलरेडी 30 मिनट्स पता नहीं कितनी देर डिलेड है. लेट्स होप फॉर द बेस्ट एंड हम टाइम पे पहुंच जाएं. लेट्स सी. एनीवेज, सो नाउ वी टॉक अबाउट द थर्ड लाइफ लेसन. द थर्ड लाइफ लेसन इज़ दैट एनर्जी exchange is real. This is which I learned also very late, like whenever you are interacting with people or on social media or anywhere, be very much aware what kind of energy you are absorbing, what kind of energy you are giving to universe in universe, and actually that matters a lot. So the thing that helped me is daily clearing my energy so that all the heaviness baggages are cleared. This has genuinely helped me a lot in last 2-3 years of life. So yeah, be mindful of what you are consuming, what you are giving, what you are receiving, because it's energy is your currency. So let's do the fourth live lesson and I'm at airport cafe, so we'll eat something here. So I thought it's a different location, so let me shoot the other life lesson. The fourth one is do not accept when you give, do not एक्सपेक्ट व्हेन यू गिव. सो बेसिकली मुझे ऐसा लगता है जब हम किसी के लिए कुछ कर रहे होते हैं तो हम जनरली इसलिए कर रहे होते हैं क्योंकि हमें करना अच्छा लग रहा होता है. एट सम पॉइंट ऑफ टाइम इन आवर लाइफ वी स्टार्ट एक्सपेक्टिंग के अगला बंदा भी करे या मे बी ये फ्रेंड करे या मे बी मेरा पार्टनर करे या मेरे पेरेंट्स करें, whatever. सो the major life lesson I learned is when you do something for someone, don't expect things in return because you are doing because you felt like doing. So yeah, that was the fourth life lesson. So now let's do the next lesson. This is life lesson number 5 and this is very important. Self-love. Self-love is actually really important to heal yourself, to accept your shadow side, work on your triggers. When I initiated and genuinely started working on this, a lot changed in my life. So yeah, the next one is self-love. Okay guys, so the next life lesson is from plane and we are traveling from Delhi to Bombay, and उसके बाद हमारी next flight is from Bombay airport. तो next life lesson वहीं से होगा, but उससे पहले this is lesson number 6 which I learned that money matters. I mean, I understand that money cannot buy happiness, but having money gives you freedom, financial freedom to do things that you want to do, to try different adventures, to go in different places. So this was lesson number 6.
25 to 30 minutes subject to ATC congestion. On behalf of all crew on board on Air India, we thank you for choosing to fly with us, and we look forward to flying you again in near future. Cabin crew prepare for arrivals. Thank you.
Okay, so now let's talk about the 7th life lesson. अभी थोड़ा सा sync नहीं हो रहा होगा because I'm looking tired, but this lesson is all about looks, that looks do matter. And when I'm saying looks do matter, I'm not saying that you need to have like 6-pack abs or be fittest person in this world. But what I mean is we need to be presentable and try our best to go with best of our capabilities. Okay guys, good morning. I just woke up and the time is 6:04. मतलब मॉरिशस में 6:04 है currently. in Bombay और India it's 7 AM and sunrise हो रहा है. So let's talk about life lesson. अब मुझे नंबर याद नहीं है यार. I think पता नहीं यार रात को कौन सा नंबर था, वो हम जाके चेक करेंगे मेरी डायरी में या फिर मेरे नोट्स में. बट द नेक्स्ट लाइफ लेसन वॉज योगा. योगा इज़ वेरी वेरी इम्पॉर्टेंट. लाइक एक्चुअली currently वही टाइम चल रहा है कि when I generally do yoga at home with my online classes. So this is something which was life changing for me, which is currently life changing for me. So do practice yoga. It's one of the best thing that you can use for your body, mind and soul.
बजकर 35 मिनट हुए हैं. सभी अतिथियों से निवेदन है कि सीट बेल्ट संकेत बंद किए जाने तक कृपया अपनी निर्धारित सीट पर ही बैठे रहें और ऊपर बने सामान कक्ष न खोलें. सामान कक्ष खोलते समय सावधानी बरतें. कृपया अपने सामने बैठे अतिथियों को पहले उतरने दें. जिन अतिथियों ने व्हील चेयर की बुकिंग की है वे अपने सीट पर ही बैठे रहें.
Okay, so this is the next life lesson. I'm at Mauritius airport right now, and the next life lesson is meditation genuinely plays a really important part in your life. So if you are not meditating like till now, make sure that you can try it as a daily habit, and that will genuinely help you. From where in India? But that depends, few areas are having this stuff like. Okay, so let's do the room tour. अभी कोई लाइफ लेसन नहीं बता रहे, सिर्फ रूम टूर बता रहे हैं. So this is the room. This is the washroom. We have a personal tub here. Then we have these basins here, and let's open. Okay, this is normally the washroom, and then the main part of this room is this balcony, which is huge, and we have a beach in front, and that side is all about pool. काफ़ी बड़ा है ये. So yeah, so last we met, I recorded the room tour for you guys. So now let's move to the next life lesson, and next life lesson is clear your energy daily. So when we clear our energy daily, the old energy is removed and new energy enters. You can have as many as guided meditations on YouTube about clearing your energy. So that's one of the important. The next life lesson is purpose matters. And वैसे तो किसी भी चीज़ का कोई खास purpose होता नहीं, but still you have to, if you have to look for, always look for a bigger purpose, because bigger purpose helps your desire get fulfilled better and ASAP. And one more from a different location which came is like ये बिल्कुल यहाँ का beach है. तो the next one in the list is, यार मैं तो भूल गई क्या थी list में. Next one. Okay, so the next one in the list is affirmation works as magic. I have tried affirmations multiple times, and eventually it consciously and subconsciously reprogram your mind, and that's how they start working as magic. So affirmation works always. Okay, so the next one in the list is meaningless things don't work. So I mean, थोड़ा सा purpose से related है, but whenever you are doing something, try to think if there's a meaning behind it, or you are just doing for the sake of doing it. ओके तो कल हमने लाइफ लेसन ख़त्म कर लिए थे अप्रॉक्सीमेटली 14, मतलब 14 मैंने चेक करा, तो 14 हम ख़त्म कर चुके हैं. नाउ वी आर एट 15th लाइफ लेसन, एंड दिस इज़ अ डिफरेंट लोकेशन. पीछे यू विल सी अ डिफरेंट लोकेशन. तो द नेक्स्ट लाइफ लेसन इज़ बी प्रेजेंट. लाइक जहाँ पे भी हो ट्राई करो कि वहीं पे होने की. सो बेसिकली बीच में देयर वाज अ टाइम व्हेन मुझे ऐसा लगता था कि मैं जहाँ पे हूँ आई एम यूजिंग अ लॉट ऑफ फ़ोन, या फिर टोटली पहले मैं ट्रिप्स पे continuously I was on my phones or putting some content. Eventually I started being present कि जहाँ पे हो वहाँ पे रहो, क्योंकि ये सब तो घर जाके वापस भी you can do, मतलब जो शूट करना है that you can do, but any other thing you can be taken care later. So be present. So the next life lesson in the list is that goals keep you going. I think everyone should have some goals. Everyone should have some goals, so that that can keep them going, and they know where they are headed and what they want next in their life. So goals keep you going. And the next life lesson is from this beautiful pretty location, and this lesson is music is like peace to soul. Music is so soothing. Like if you ever feel that you are stressed, irritated, angry, whatever, मतलब जो भी lower vibrational emotional होते हैं, emotions होते हैं, तो whenever you listen to good music, it will soothe your soul. So it's like your quickest solution. कोई भी गाना, कोई भी भजन, कोई भी motivational song जो आपको पसंद है, you can listen that. The next life lesson जो कि बीच से ही है, मतलब life lesson is that beach has healing energy. So first time I went to Goa, I was in very bad phase in my life, and the day I came back, I felt so healed, so energetic, so refreshed. So मुझे उस टाइम पता चल गया था कि beach has some healing power. Water has that healing energy. It absorbs all negativity for you. So people who regularly go to beaches or go there, soak themselves in sand or sun or beach, they'll always feel refreshed. तो ये बहुत ही इस प्यारी लोकेशन से like we can talk about this life lesson that beach has healing energy. Okay, so मैं बाहर आ गई होटल के, एंड सामने ना देखो, सामने पहाड़ दिख रहे हैं. मतलब मुझे समझ नहीं आ रहा है, इतना सही सिंक हो रहा है. जो भी लाइफ लेसन है मुझे कुछ ना कुछ उससे रिलेटेड मिले जा रहा है. सो सामने दीज आर माउंटेन्स, एंड आई रियलाइज वन थिंग इन माई लाइफ, दैट माउंटेन्स कॉल्स यू वेन एवर यू नीड टू लेवल अप इन योर लाइफ. आई मीन इट्स लाइक माउंटेन इज़ सिमिलर टू लेवल अप. जैसे मैंने बीच के लिए बोला कि बीच हैज़ हीलिंग एनर्जी, माउंटेन टू हैज़ हीलिंग एनर्जी, बट आई फील कि व्हेन आई रेट्रोस्पेक्ट, माउंटेन्स कॉल्ड मी वेन एवर आई नीडेड अ लेवल अप इन माई लाइफ. एंड द लेटेस्ट example of this, I remember I went to a mountain. I went to McLeodganj, Dharamshala in 2021, and that was kind of life changing for me. So इससे पहले भी मैंने observe करा कि जब भी मैं हिमाचल जाती हूँ या जब भी मैं mountains पे गई, it was, I came back like there was some other level up thing or some kind of छोटे बड़े challenges to get me like to the next level of the life. So mountains call, whenever mountains call you or you are going to mountains, be very assured that there is some leveling up happening in your life. Okay, let's move to the next life lesson, and this life lesson is self-learning is key to growth. So whenever you feel like you are feeling stuck or some energy is stuck and you don't know what to pursue, learn something, take a course, do something. Like आजकल तो courses are really available at very economical prices. अगर कुछ बड़ा पढ़ना है, like you want to pursue some education or some degree, वो भी कर सकते हो. And there is no age to it. Like I feel people think that they are 40, 50 and now they cannot pursue a degree. ऐसा I don't feel. So अगर degree pursue नहीं करनी तो you can pursue courses. अगर course pursue नहीं करना तो किसी teacher से कुछ सीख लो. अगर वो भी नहीं करना तो you can go to gym, take a trainer, work with a yoga teacher, Zumba teacher, like learn something, because self-love is the key to growth. Self-learning is the key to growth. Okay, so the next life lesson is from this location. हम यहाँ से jetty ले रहे हैं to go to the North Island on waterfall. So the next life lesson is faith should be greater than fear. Never try to operate कि आप fear से operate कर रहे हो. The more you try to operate via faith, the more you will do better decisions of your life. So faith should always be greater than fear.
फुल इंजॉय एकदम.
कहाँ पे?
इतना दोडामाला और खंडाला.
इससे बेटर है वहाँ का वाटरफॉल.
बाकी नहीं, वो नॉर्मल मतलब ये शायद हमेशा के लिए
Okay, so I reached the North Island, and this is the next life lesson. Trust should be always greater than uncertainty. The more you are like, you will always feel that इसके बाद क्या होगा या फिर इस डिसीजन का रिजल्ट क्या होगा. ऐसा बहुत बार हमें लाइफ में लगता है. But when we trust the higher power, when we trust our guides, when we trust the angels, we are sure that whatever is happening in our favor. And by the way, this is North Island. हम यहाँ पे आए थे अभी जेटी से. So we'll be staying here. यहाँ पे 2, 3, 4, 5 location. I'll shoot one more lesson or 2, 3 more lesson on different locations. So this was, I think हम अभी तक 20 कर चुका है, if I'm not wrong. हमारे 20 और बचे हैं. So let's go on the other side and record few more. Okay, new location, new life lesson. Surrender is greater than doubt. So the more you doubt के थोड़ा सा पिछले वाले से interlinked है. The more you doubt के sometimes yourself or people around or situations around, the more you will go in the loop of more fear. So easy way is do the surrender to the higher power, that whatever is happening in my favor. Okay, so next location, next life lesson is higher power is always policing you. So I think what we need to try is to be honest to yourself, because और कोई देखे ना देखे, there is someone who knows your real intention. अगर आप कुछ बोल रहे हो और कर उसके अकॉर्डिंग नहीं रहे, एथिकली नहीं कर रहे हो, या सोच कुछ और रहे हो, बोल कुछ और रहे हो, कर कुछ और रहे हो, so there is a lot of vibrational mismatch that you create for yourself, and that is not good at all. So higher power is always policing you. Make sure that you are always in sync with the power. नेक्स्ट वन इन द लिस्ट इज़ यूनिवर्स इज़ ऑलवेज वर्किंग इन योर फेवर. सो पता है कई बार हमें लगता है कि हर चीज़ हमारे अगेंस्ट है, हर चीज़ इज़ नॉट वर्किंग इन आवर फेवर, बट एज यू मूव ऑन इन लाइफ यू विल रियलाइज दैट यूनिवर्स इज़ ऑलवेज वर्किंग इन योर फेवर. ऐसा बहुत बार हुआ मुझे लाइफ में, लगा दैट थिंग्स आर नॉट वर्किंग एज आई एक्सपेक्ट देम टू बी, बट एक्चुअली they were completely working in my favor and as I expected them to be. So yeah. Okay, so this is the next life lesson from the next location, which is you are your own startup. I mean, you need to consider yourself that आप अपनी startup हो and you need to work accordingly. When you feel that you are your own startup project, then आप उसके according ही काम करते हो and you grow it as and when needed. So that's the whole story behind it. So with 26 life lessons till now, and I will try to do 2 more for you guys in some different locations here, and then I'll be doing a South Island tour tomorrow. तो उसके बाद के life lessons mostly हम कल complete करेंगे. These 2 next are kind of interrelated, so I want to like tell about them today only. Okay, so the next one in the list is थोड़ी सी kind of similar location लगेंगी, but I tried that it becomes different. So as I said, you are your own startup, so pivot accordingly. Like whenever you think that you need to pivot, upgrade, need to change something, have some new habits, release some old habits, do that, because pivoting is the key for entrepreneurship. Like as I said, you are your own startup, so that's the next life lesson. Okay, हम अभी एंटरप्रेन्योरशिप की बात कर रहे थे. I was saying you are your own startup. The second thing is that you need to keep on pivoting whenever needed. So the third thing is investing in yourself whenever required. And when I say investing, हमने कुछ बातें पहले करी है, like self learning, investing in your growth and all that stuff. So that is the next life lesson. So the next life lesson is ROI. अब आपने you are your own startup, you have pivoted when needed. You are investing in yourself. The fourth, in the series is ROI. ROI is return on investment. And please don't take this otherwise. मैं ये नहीं बोली कि human interaction transactional होने चाहिए. All I'm saying is कि if you are investing in people around, in your courses, in yourself, make sure that there is a return on investment. And that need not be materialistic. That could be growth. That could be self-love. That could be your own self-development. Like if you are investing in friendships around or relationships around, make sure those people are helping you grow. There is no or less toxicity in those. I'm not saying कि हम किसी चीज़ को वैसे भी लेबल नहीं कर सकते कि ये टॉक्सिक है या ये नहीं है. To each of its own, but make sure that there is a return on investment. And as I said, don't take it otherwise. It's more like ऐसा नहीं कि ह्यूमन जर्नी में आपको प्रॉफिट लॉस देखना है, बट बी माइंडफुल दैट पीपल अराउंड यू आर हेल्पिंग यू ग्रो एंड there are genuine human connections. Okay, so we reached at next location. This is La Wala Des Nature Park. And यहाँ पे वो सब होता है, quad biking, zip lining, agar, and that bicycle riding.
Different waterfalls, endemic plants and animals which are freely into the park. You can also go around to visit our different viewpoints. This is about the park itself. You can go by quad, buggy, zip line, walking. There's a lot of different options. For quad and buggy,
हेलो, सो हम पहुंच गए थे इस लोकेशन पे. वी आर एट द वैली ऑफ कलर्स, ऐसा करके कुछ है. एंड द नेक्स्ट लाइफ लेसन इज़ डू नॉट ट्रीट फेलियर एज फेलियर. बिकॉज जब मैं छोटी थी तो मुझे ऐसा लगता था कि ये नहीं हुआ तो लाइफ इज़ डन, अब मैं क्या करूँ. सो फेलियर्स को फेलियर्स की तरह हम ट्रीट करते हैं, बट दोज आर लेसन्स एंड लर्निंग्स. Okay, so we are going to a waterfall again, and this is the next life lesson, which is people come in your life for either reason or a season or a lifetime. So eventually you will realize who is for who. Like you can categorize, and every person you meet they fulfill a purpose in your life. So yeah, that's a major life lesson. Eventually you will be able to identify कि किसका क्या पर्पस था, कौन किस रीज़न से आया था, एंड कौन लाइफ टाइम के लिए है. So that's the next live lesson, and let me show you a bit of waterfall as well. Yeah, waterfall. Okay, so this is the volcano side. ये पहले I think active volcano था जो फटा, फिर ये इस हालत में है. And the next life lesson is, if you do a commitment, complete it. If you have done something and committed something to yourself, make sure that you, oh my god, make sure that you complete that. Anyways, I'm sitting in my 4x4 now, and next life lesson from next location. So हम इस लोकेशन पे आए. यहाँ पे चाइनीज़ गुआवा है टू इट. लेट मी टेस्ट. जब मैं रुको. वाइट यमी. खट्टा है बट अच्छा है. बहुत वाटरी है. गोबू ध्यान से लगा ना. कान मत करा कर. इतने ऊपर तक क्यों जा रही है? नीचे है तो सही. हाय राम लालच. एक और भी दिख रहा है. देखो वहाँ पे ऐसे फील आ रही है जैसे टीवी सीरियल में नहीं बोलता वो. एक मिनट ये वाला उतारते हैं. ये तो कच्चा लग रहा है यार. यम्मी. ओके, सो दिस इज़ द नेक्स्ट लोकेशन. सी व्यू है इसी में. अगर हम दूर कर इसको जूम करेंगे तो यहाँ पे सी दिखेगी. एनीवेज, लेट्स मूव टू द नेक्स्ट लाइफ लेसन, विच इज़ वैल्यू रियल रिलेशनशिप. सो व्हेन यू ग्रो इन लाइफ एंड व्हेन यू मूव फॉरवर्ड, you will understand how much a good relationship, friendship, connection, even your parents, siblings, like जिसके साथ भी है, will help you to grow. तो हमने इसकी थोड़ी बहुत पहले रिटर्न ऑफ इन्वेस्टमेंट में भी बात करी थी. बट व्हेन यू स्टार्ट वैल्यूइंग रियल रिलेशनशिप एंड कनेक्शन, you will see your life changing in a much better way, and you will also see your growth steeping like really fast. And let's do the next one, which is discipline can actually build you. If you are a disciplined person, if you do few things like daily, each day, every day with consistency, it can genuinely build you up, and it can build you a person which cannot be defeated. So discipline is the key for a better life.
भी बड़ा था.
200 साल के तो ये भी लग रहे हैं बिग टर्टल्स. ओके, सो द नेक्स्ट लाइफ लेसन इस टर्टल के व्यू के साथ, which is creativity is free. The more you explore your creativity, or you can say Shakti energy, the more you will be able to feel free. Also, when you like limit your judgments, like not judging people, not intervening in someone's business, the Shakti can flow much more easily, and then you can do creative work more freely. So yeah, creativity is free and helps you liberate. Okay, so the next one in the list is have a smiling face, or have a welcoming personality. The more you have a charming smile and a welcoming personality, the people will be able to connect with you more, and you will have a very good network and connections with people. Okay, so this is the next location, which is यहाँ का गंगा तालाब. यहाँ पे फुल ऑन मुझे ना ऋषिकेश वाली वाइब आ रही है. बस बहुत ही सही वो सारा सेज एंड ऑल रखा है, तो बहुत ही सही फ्रेगनेंस भी आ रही है. फुल ऑन ऋषिकेश वाइब है. और पीपल वर सेइंग वो जो कुंभ मेले से मोदी जी वो लाए थे the Ganga water, and they just merge this water in this Ganga talab only. So yeah, for that we can talk about the next life lesson, which is among the last ones, that helping others will always give you joy. The more you help others, the more you will feel joyful. So that's my another one. बाकी तुम व्यू भी enjoy कर लो यार थोड़ा बहुत. I'm not sure how much I'm able to tell you about the views, because this vlog was mostly about life lessons, but this is so pretty. पूरे दिस इज शिव मंदिर विद शिव फैमिली बिकॉज यहाँ पे गणेश जी हैं. देन वी हैव महादेव जी हियर, दैट इज शक्ति, दुर्गा माँ, एंड देन वी हैव साईं बाबा एज वेल एंड सरस्वती जी. सब कुछ है उधर. आई थिंक हनुमान जी थे एंट्री पे, मैंने लिया था आई थिंक. वहाँ पे शनि मंदिर भी है, दैट इज शनि मंदिर. एंड यहाँ पे बुद्धा जी भी हैं हेयर, बुद्धा एंड पीछे शनि मंदिर. दिस इज होल अ वाइब. Okay, so this is the last life lesson at this so pretty location which includes both Shiv and Shakti. And यहाँ पे कुछ लोग are saying that this is the 13th Jyotirling. I mean 12 are in India and this is considered as the last one. So the last one exactly at the right place. मैंने सोचा नहीं था कि ये यहाँ पे होने वाला है. But this is like inner union is the key. When you understand that inner union of your masculine and feminine energies are needed, then you will be able to understand. So yeah, I was saying the inner union is key, and ये जो location है, this is the proof. When your inner masculine and feminine energies unite, you can do wonders. And आपके आसपास के सारे relationship, friendship and जो भी connections are, those will improve as well, because now you'll be able to tap into your power more easily. Let's say bye to this beautiful view. Sunrise हो रहा है. अभी टाइम है 6 बजने वाले हैं. We have a pickup. सफाइयाँ चल रही हैं यहाँ पे. चलो बाय until next time. Okay, so finally इस व्लॉग को एंड करते हैं. एंड थैंक यू सो मच जिसने भी यहाँ तक देखा है. आई एम सो ग्रेटफुल. अगर आपने मल्टीपल पार्ट्स में देखा है या फिर 2x पे देखा है, वट एवर इज़ द थिंग, थैंक यू सो मच फॉर वॉचिंग दिस व्लॉग टिल नाउ. एंड आई एम so grateful. So let's end this vlog right away. Stay happy, stay blessed, and most importantly stay grateful. I will see you another one. Bye.